Die Wochentage, days of the week. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. German Classroom for Students. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Days of the week, die Wochentage. Die Wochentage. So what do we call Monday? What is Monday in German? It is der Montag. Der Montag. What about Tuesday? How do we pronounce Tuesday? Tuesday is pronounced as der Dienstag. Repeat after me. Der Dienstag. Wednesday is der Mittwoch. Der Mittwoch. What about Thursday? Thursday is der Donnerstag. Der Donnerstag. And Friday? Friday is der Freitag. Der Freitag. Now, what do we call weekend? Weekend is das Wochenende. Das Wochenende. Saturday is pronounced as der Samstag. Once again, der Samstag. And Sunday is pronounced as der Sonntag. Der Sonntag. So let's repeat it once again. Die Wochentage, der Montag, der Dienstag, der Mittwoch, der Donnerstag, der Freitag. Das Wochenende is weekend. So der Samstag und der Sonntag. I hope you have understood this. Thanks for watching this video.